thought that I already met my the one during my early grade, and that's you. Di ko to in-expect. I am still amazed how God made the biggest plot twist in our love story.
Mahal, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Lord sa buhay mo, sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay natin. Hanggang ngayon, di pa din natin nakalain na tayo magkakatuluyan. Sa tagal nating magkakilala simula elementary, high school. Pasalamat ka, nag-reply ako sa chat mo.
After all the traumas and pains from the past, natakot na akong magmahal ulit. But then you came into my life. Sa'yo, hindi ako natakot sumugal. Sa'yo nagpayapa ang puso ko.
You showed your pure intentions by meeting my parents and siblings. How brave and consistent you are. Every day, you never failed to make me feel safe in your arms. You strongly prove your love to me when we start to enter a long-distance relationship. From year 2019 to 2024. Almost 5 years of not being together. But you still choose to stay.
Alam nating dalawa yung ups and downs ng relationship natin, pero nandito pa din tayo para sa isa't isa. Salamat talaga sa Lord. Alam kong mahirap, di lang sa akin, lalo na sa'yo, yung naging setup natin noon. Nang oras lang tayo, nakapag-video call, minsan minuto lang, minsan chat lang talaga. Sana mas pagtibayin pa tayo ng Lord sa next chapter ng buhay natin dalawa bilang mag-asawa.
We've been through ups and downs that made us strong today. Being in a long distance is never easy. Not until you decided to be contented and fully commit yourself to someone you truly love.
Sorry, mahal, for breaking up with you once. That caused you so much pain. Patawarin mo ako sa minsan kong paglayo.
I love you and I will always will, by God's grace and help. I thank God for giving you to me. Thank you for accepting my flaws and weaknesses.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo, mahal, ng sobra dahil sa pagtanggap sa akin ng buo. Kahit kuwang-kuwa ko, inis mo palagi. Magkalayo man tayo noon, pero never mong pinaramdam sa akin na extra lang ako sa iyo, kundi ako yung buhay mo.
Today, in front of all the people who truly cares for us, I promise to be with you forever and always. I promise to be your #1 fan. I promise to always have your back. I promise to be your happy pill. I promise to understand you and choose you even if it causes so much pain. I promise to take care of you and love you even on the hardest time of life may bring. Always remember that we are loved by God who loved us first. I pray to God na siya palagi ang maging center ng ating marriage and family. May we always end our day with forgiveness and love. At sa wakas, natapos na ang paghihintay. Handa na akong harapin ang bukas, hawak ang iyong kamay. Salamat sa Diyos sa buhay mo, mahal. Mahal na mahal kita. Nagmamahal ang maganda mong asawa.
Pangako, mahal, araw-araw kitang iingatan, paprotektahan at pagsisilbihan hanggang sa huli kong buhay. Kayo ko na din ilalaan ko ang oras at buhay ko. At kung mabuhay man ako ulit, ikaw at ikaw pa din pipiliin ko. Mas magsusumikap pa ako para sa iyo at sa pamilya natin. Hindi kita aawayin, iinisin lang. At higit sa lahat, sasamahan ka maglingkod sa Lord. Mahal na mahal kita sobra.
This vow should always remind both of you that marriage is not just about keeping the fire of love burning, but more importantly, it's about keeping your covenant, your sacred vow together with God.
Ready for it all. This is who we are, and this is where it starts.